Welcome. In this video I will show you how to factory reset your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus from settings. Before you do that, make sure that you have backed up all the important files from your smartphone to either an external cloud or an SSD drive. Now we also mentioned how to do that in a separate video on how to backup and restore your data on this smartphone. And once you have done this, let's wipe down the control center, tap the gear icon, then we're gonna have to scroll all the way down, set the settings, open system settings, then select reset phone, erase all data, confirm, enter your password, and confirm once again. It will erase all of your device's data permanently. Now the only thing you have to do is wait, and if your device is low on power, make sure to connect it to the charger. And once you see the language selection screen, this means that the factory reset operation is finished and you now can set up your device once again. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.